Here's a Toastmaster 4433A Box Fan from like 1994 or so. This one has an unusual grill and only held by 2 screws for easy removal. This one actually has a weak motor on it. As you see, the handle and the knob is not original. But here's a test of it. Medium. You'll see the blades are awfully out of balance. Oh, and for metal anchor, this is the feet I was talking about in a comment that I made a few years ago. These things. You see, the cord is not original. I just replaced it because the original one messed up due to a mishap. Here's a closer look. Here's the Toastmaster logo. And that's it for toasting.